Compare Zener diode and PN junction diode. We know that Zener diode is a special type of PN diode. Let's discuss how it differs from the normal PN junction diode. Zener diode operates in the reverse bias condition, whereas the PN junction diode operates in the forward bias condition. The characteristics of Zener diode lie in the third quadrant, whereas the characteristics of PN junction diode lie in the first quadrant. Zener diode has a very small resistance in the reverse breakdown condition, whereas the PN junction diode has a very high resistance in the reverse biased condition. In the Zener diode, conduction of current is in the direction opposite to that of the arrow in the symbol, whereas in the PN junction diode, conduction of current is in the direction opposite to that of the arrow in the symbol. Zener diodes are employed in voltage regulators, protection circuits, etc., whereas the PN junction diodes are employed in rectifiers, clippers, clampers, etc. Thus, we can say that Zener diode is a special type of PN junction diode, but its characteristics and properties differ from the normal PN junction diode. Related terms are